Qaida series lesson 2. Today we will learn joint letters. The letters should be read separately. For example, Mim, Noon, Ain, Alif, Ha, Alif, Qaf, Alif, Ka, Alif, Sheen, Alif, Ja, Alif, Saad, Alif, Lam, Alif, Lam, Alif. There are two shapes of Lam, Alif. Noon, Alif, Za, Alif, Ta, Alif, Dal, Alif, Ta, Alif, Fa, Alif, Mim, Alif, Waw, Alif, Ha, Ya, Ain, Ya, Kha, Waw, Qaf, Ra, Kaf, Ra, Sheen, Ja, Ya, Ba, Ha, Dal, Ya, Sin, Sa, Mim, Ta, Ra, Lam, Mim, Qaf, Waw, Kaf, Lam, Qaf, Lam, Ba, Ha, Qaf, Dal, Fa, Ja, Ha, Ha, Waw, Dal, Noon, Za, Ra, Qaf, Waw, Mim, Kaf, Alif, Noon, Ba, and Dal, Ra, Jim, Sin, Ra, Ja, Ba, Qaf, Alif, Lam, Ra, Jim, Lam, Ghain, Ja, Alif, Waw, Qaf, and Ba, Lam, Ghain, Noon, Fa, Sin, Kha, Lam, Ta, Kaf, Ta, Ba, Ghain, Zad, Ba, Noon, Mim, Wa, Ta, Ta, Jim, Ra, Ya, Alif, Ghain, Noon, Ja, Ta, Ain, Ba, Dal, Alif, Za, Lam, Mim, Ta, Ra, Fa, Kaf, and Noon, Dal, Ha, Ra, Alif, Ta, Ha, Alif, Sa, Ya, Mim, Kaf, Noon, Ta, Mim, Alif, Fa, Alif, Kaf, Ja, Qaf, Zat, Ja, and Za, Alif, Ba, Ba, Sin, Ba, 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 Ha, Ja, Jim, Ghain, Shin, Alif, Waw, Ta, Ba, Ghain, Alif, Fa, Lam, Va, Alif, Ya, Alif, Ya, Mim, Ya, Sa, Alif, Qaf, Ya, An, Lam, Mim, Noon. Sheen, Fa, Alif, An, Ta. Alif, Sad, Lam, Alif, Ha, Alif. Na, Noon, Qaf, Alif, Ta, Lam. Ta, Sheen, Alif, Ba, Ha. Ta, Qaf, Alif, Ta, Lam. Mim, Ba, Ra, Kaf, Alif. Mim, Qaf, Alif, An, Dal. Alif, Zad, An, Alif, Fa, Alif. Alif, Swad, Alif, Ba, Kaf, Mim. Alif, Ya, Mim, Alif. Noon, Alif. Ba, Jim, Ha, Alif. Lam, Ta. Ba, Fa, Alif. Ha, Sheen, Ta. Ba, Ha, Ta, Alif. Noon, Alif. Repeat this qaida every day. And for lesson 3, do subscribe the channel.